Hi, I'm Janis, President of the Columbus Medical Association, and welcome to February's President's Page. As you recall, this is the time to discuss what's going on behind the scenes each and every day at the CMA. Let's talk about three things this month. First, the Physicians Leadership Academy, otherwise known as PLA. This has been started in 2015, and we have had record numbers attending this class. Last year, we were at capacity with over 20 people interested in learning more about how to be an effective leader in their organization as well as in the CMA. Applications are now open, and we would love for you to click on the link below to learn more. The second thing is our gala. Each year we have our inauguration in May. This year it is Friday, May 17th at Huntington Park. We would love to see you there. Last year was a tremendous hit with our country-themed boots and bling. This year we are all 70s with disco fever. So get dressed, get ready, and come have a great time with your friends and colleagues from around Columbus for the CMA Gala, May 17th. And finally, the third thing to discuss is a tremendous member benefit to you, which is the opportunity to collect credit for your Part IV of Maintenance of Certification. For those of you that don't remember, that concerns quality improvement projects that many of your specialties are required to satisfy as part of the ABMS, or American Board of Medical Specialties. The CMA is now one of only 2 organizations in the entire country as a county medical organization to be authorized to provide that type of Part IV credit, which we do for you, the member, at a deep discount. For more information, please see the link below. Again, it is my honor and privilege to show you what goes on behind the scenes each and every day at the CMA. Stay tuned next month for more information about being a valuable member of the CMA.